I know, guys, you have seen the thumbnail. It shows that shadowing made me fluent and you became curious to know. That's why you're here in this video. So, guys, you are in the right video because in this video, I will let you know that how did it possible and how did it help me to become fluent. But if I tell you that this shadowing practice is not the new one? We all have been practicing it since ages, since our childhood. Yes, you heard it right. Just remember the days when we were in schools and our teacher used to stand in the class and she used to read the poems and we the students were supposed to listen and repeat after her. That is the shadowing practice. Shadowing practice is nothing more than this. But at that very moment, we didn't know that we are doing shadowing practice. But we were unknowingly practicing this shadowing practice. And let's let me ask you one thing, that what is the meaning of shadow? Yes, shadow means parchai. Same is the case with this shadowing practice. In shadowing practice, we are supposed to become the shadow of the person, of the speaker whom we are listening. Yes, we have to become the shadow of the person. We have to speak the same way, the same tone, the same rhythm, everything the same. That's why this practice is called shadowing practice, right? And here in this video, I will let you know that how did I practice, what was the right way to do this practice, because most of the learners, whenever they try to do this shadowing practice, they don't do it right way and they find it not useful. That's why they drop the idea of applying this activity. But you are highly mistaken, guys. This shadow practice is really crucial step in the journey of speaking. It made me fluent. I tried it a lot, right? So without wasting the time, let's go. Here we go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So first, let's break down this video into 4 parts. In part 1, I'll be telling you the right method of this activity. And in part 2, I'll be telling you the mistakes. And in part 2, I'll be telling the benefits. And in part 3, I'll be telling you the mistakes which we all make. That's why we find it not useful and we don't use it, right? And in part 4, I'll be telling you the points which are to be kept in mind while practicing this activity, because we should the way should be correct of doing anything. So let's begin. Now the method. What you have to do here is, number 1, you have to listen the podcast, whatever you are listening for the shadowing practice. The podcast, the video, any YouTube video, any motivational video, whatever you are listening, you are to listen with subtitle. And the use of the subtitle is that when we are the beginner, we are not able to understand the speaker 100%. So to know the meaning, to understand the words of the speaker, we have to listen with subtitles, right? And in the next point, we are to listen the speaker without subtitles, because in one time we have completely understood the meaning, the words, everything. Now the time is a little bit challenging. Here we have to listen the speaker without the words, only the words spoken by the speaker. And in third point, we have to repeat after the speaker. For example, when the speaker is done, we are supposed to speak. For example, the speaker is speaking, I am going to the party, right? When he will speak, right? When he will finish, I'm going to the party, then you will speak, I'm going to the party. I'm doing this work. Then you will speak, I'm doing this work. Same tone, same rhythm, same speed, same pronunciation, everything, right? And in fourth part, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to not to repeat after the speaker. Here in fourth point, you have to speak with the speaker. Here we have to become the shadow of the speaker, right? For example, the speaker is speaking, I'm going to the party. At the same time, you are supposed to speak, I'm going to the party. Now just become like a shadow, obviously, right? But don't forget, the speed should be same, the rhythm should be same, everything, pronunciation, accent, everything should be same. If the speaker is speaking for 2 minutes, you are also if the speaker is speaking and completing his words within 2 minutes, you are supposed to speak within 2 minutes only, speed the same, right? And in fifth part, you are to suppose to speak without speaker, but same speed, everything the same, right? And after that, you have to record and you have to compare. In one point, you listen with caption, without caption, repeat after the speaker, speak with the speaker, then close the video and speak and try to speak with the speaker. Then in sixth point, you have to record yourself and listen both the speaker and your voice. Then compare. Are you completing the words, completing the things which were completed by the speaker within 2 minutes? Are you able to complete those same things within 2 minutes? Compare the speed, compare the pronunciation, compare the accent, everything. Compare. And number 7, rectify your mistake. Improve your yourself if something is wrong. And let me tell you one thing, that within only within one time you won't be able to speak with perfection. In first time, in second time, in third time, repeat as many time as you can, and after practicing it a lot, you will come to know the difference in your speaking. In first time, when you will record yourself, you won't be able to compete that speaker, you won't be able to repeat the same way. But when you will try and try and try, you will definitely be able to repeat, to speak with the speaker, and you will definitely become the shadow, and you will definitely become able to speak the right way, the right pronunciation, the speed, everything would be the same, but after trial many times. So this was the method. Now the benefits. When you will listen, first benefit, you will improve your listening power, as listening is the base of speaking. Without listening, you won't be able to become a fluent speaker. So it will improve your listening, and if listening is improved, automatically spoken will improve, right? Then pronunciation, your pronunciation will also improved, will also get improved, as you will listen carefully, and you will try to speak like that speaker, same. In this way, you will improve your spoken, pronunciation. You will improve your vocabulary, and as you are listening thoughtfully, lots of you will expose yourself while listening to the language. So many new words will come to know, so many new sentence structure will come to know, you will come to know lots of sentence structure, the vocabulary, the sentence structure, they will get set in your mind. and your English will improve. Listening, pronunciation, vocabulary, sentence structure, grammar, your grammar will improve. You are exposing, by this shadowing practice, you are exposing yourself to the language, and whatever is there in the language, the grammar, the pronunciation, the vocabulary, the sentence structure, everything will improve, right? Then your spoken will become natural. When everything will get improved, you will become natural. You will become, when you will become natural, you will gain confidence. It will build your confidence. Once your confidence is built, fluency become natural. You will become a natural speaker. And the one more point, your speed, it will fast your speed. When you will try to speak with the speaker, you will have to compete, you will have to speak with the speaker, and it will improve your speed. These are the 9 points. Now let's talk about the mistakes. Number 3, let's talk about the mistakes, what we do. First, we don't choose the content the right way. As when we are the beginner, what the people do, they choose to watch, to listen the advanced speaker. That becomes the biggest mistake. Don't choose the advanced speaker. Choose the speaker of your level, whom you can understand, whom you can listen, whom you can thoughtfully repeat properly, right? And your level should be matched. They don't listen thoughtfully. Next point is that they don't listen carefully. Here in shadowing practice, we are supposed to listen carefully, thoughtfully, understand the meaning, because you are supposed to become the speaker like the speaker you are listening. So you have to listen carefully, detail wise, each and everything. Fast, slower the speed, so that you can understand the emotions as well, not only the words, not only the pronunciation, the spoke, not only the pronunciation, the emotions, the facial expression, each and everything is to be listened and watched carefully, right? Now let's talk about the points which are to be kept in the mind. Whatever you are listening, it should be, the speaker should be, if your level is basic, the speaker should also be basic. Basic means the speaker should be accurate, articulate, but the speed of the speaker, the speaker shouldn't be advanced level, because you won't be able to cope up with that speaker. And next point, it should be the podcast, whatever you are listening, it should be short. Don't listen lengthy, listen short. Then number 3, you are to record yourself and analyze your mistake. Not only analyze your mistake, wait, someone has come, the voice is becoming, yes, gone. You are supposed to compare and to rectify your mistakes, and those mistakes should be worked upon. Read the subtitles, the caption. Reading will also improve you. Reading, first benefit of reading, your reading will improve, and the next benefit, you will have to understand the meaning of the words, and the meanings of the word should be jotted down in your diary, right? And the next point is that repeat, listen repeatedly, listen the same video multiple times. So these are the things which are to be kept in your mind. Speaker shouldn't be advanced. Speaker video should be short. You should be listened carefully, thoughtfully. You have to become the shadow, right? Like photocopy, like a shadow. And you are to listen carefully, record yourself, not only record yourself, compare yourself, not only compare yourself, after comparing yourself, just to remove those mistakes. And listen the podcast, the speaker, same speaker multiple times. So this is the complete package, complete method of shadowing practice. It helped me a lot. Today I'm sitting in front of you and I'm speaking to you, if not like an articulate speaker, at least a confident speaker. It was really a Herculean task for me in the beginning, but now it has become like a walk in the park, a bed of roses. Now I don't take much time to record the video. Earlier, what I used to do, 5 to 10 minutes video used to take my 7 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. But now I just sit and record. If I'm recording 15 minutes video, it only takes 15 minutes, not more than that. So it helped me, and you can see the difference. While you will see my first and last this video, you yourself will see the difference. It helped me, guys. So now the ball is in your court. How to use it? Do you use it, or do you feel that it is useless? It was useful for me, so it will definitely be useful for you, because every activity is made to benefit you. Depends on us how we use it, right? So before wrapping the video, let me ask you to please like, share and subscribe, and do hit the like button so that every notification can reach you and you can get benefits of each and every video, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.